Welcome to Ames Research Laboratories. We are the leading manufacturer of quality rubber coatings. We provide innovative solutions for all of life's waterproofing projects. Our coatings are proudly made here in the USA from the finest materials possible. Our new technology provides unrivaled elastomeric coverage that protects homes and businesses from the basements to the rooftops. And joining us here today are Ames Research Laboratory founder and product inventor, Dr. W. Ames Curtright.
Glad to be here.
And product manager, Jon Bergevin. And Pete Cary, who's going to start off by showing us one of our most popular products, Ames BlueMax.
We're going to talk about an innovative technology called BlueMax, Ames BlueMax waterproof coating. It's for waterproofing basements and foundations. We're going to demonstrate this high strength and adhesion of BlueMax using this 8x8 cinder block. What we're going to do is wet this surface, pouring copious amounts of water on there. Next, we're going to take the BlueMax, which is very low odor, and brush it directly on that wet surface. I have a piece of polyester cloth here, which we're going to embed into the wet coating. That's not a requirement for the application. It's simply to show you the strength and the adhesion of BlueMax. As you can see, we've got the BlueMax on the wet surface. We prepared a block yesterday, 24 hours ago, and did the same thing on a wet surface. As you can see, the remarkable adhesion of BlueMax. Now, it's that adhesion that allows you to waterproof on the negative side of a basement wall, so when the water pushes through, it will not lift, blister, or bubble. BlueMax has a remarkable flexibility and expansion and contraction. So if you have cracks in the foundation, it will move and flex with the surface. That's Ames BlueMax.
Thanks, Pete. We are standing in front of a concrete wall, Dr. Ames. Can you tell us a little bit about this? I believe it has BlueMax on it.
Well, BlueMax is a product that we developed for waterproofing, a powerful waterproof coating. There's so many coatings out there that are not powerful like this one is. It's not only elastic, it has glued this wall together just with the paint, just by brushing it on the seams. And this wall is extremely strong.
My goodness.
You can see yeah. And so we wanted to make a product that was remarkable, that was impervious and waterproofing for people who have basement waterproofing problems.
It's also important to have impervious elastomeric products for repairing and waterproofing roofs. Jon, can you tell us a little more?
Yes, Ames Research has lots of great roof coatings. For metal roofs, for instance, we have our rubber seam tape that's self-adhesive. You peel the back off like a sticker and stick it into place over seams, screw heads, or other roof penetrations. Then you would coat it with our maximum stretch coating, which is 750% elastic and up to 98% reflective, which will seal water leaks out of the roof and also reflect a lot of solar heat. If you have flat roofs, such as rolled roofs or cracked hot tar, you would use our Super Elast-Barrier, which is a dual rubber technology that goes on as a base coat, flows into cracks and crevices and seals up those leaks. And then you would top coat it with our maximum stretch to protect the rubber from the sun and also to add an additional waterproof layer. And that's Ames roof coatings.
Rubber roofs also wear out and leak. What's the Ames Research solution for that, Pete?
Next roof type we're going to talk about today is EPDM rubber. EPDM rubber is a large sheet of inner tube-like material, quite commonly found on commercial and industrial buildings. It's a byproduct of the tire industry. Huge acres of them across the United States, and Ames has a coating to coat them. It's called Super Primer. Super Primer is a bonding agent which bonds to the EPDM rubber. It can be applied using a brush, a roller, or sprayed on using a standard piston, airless, or compressed air sprayer. Super Primer will dry in approximately 15 minutes on the EPDM rubber. Then it allows you to repair tears, rips, and breaks, seams that have separated with the peel and stick rubber seam tape made by Ames also. It's a self-adhesive contouring rubber seam tape, very sticky back to it, has a polyester fleece outer to it. It's available in 2-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch widths. That's applied over the primed surface. Then if the EPDM rubber roof is in very bad shape, we would next apply the Super Elast-Barrier rubber base coat. This is a cured sample of that. That would be applied right over the seam tape, and then finally we'd top coat it with the maximum stretch, which is a highly reflective UV protective top coat. And that's how you do rubber roofs with Ames Research Laboratories products.
It's obvious Ames Research has you covered when it comes to basements, walls, and roofs. But what about decks and roof decks? John?
We have our contour and roof fabric that adds to strength and longevity on your deck surface. It is sandwiched between layers of the super Elast-Barrier, which is a dual rubber base coat that's going to waterproof your surface, and then you top coat it with our safety deck granulated that's got grit in it for a non-slip surface. It comes in a variety of colors, so you can choose what color your deck surface is. And there you have Ames products for decks.
Thanks, guys, for helping us to understand some of our core products. Here's a look at Ames Research Laboratories' complete lineup of products. For a more comprehensive list of all our products, where to find them, plus detailed application instructions, call us or visit our website at amesresearch.com. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Ames Research Laboratories' high-quality elastomeric waterproof products.